Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the details of the Tata Nano XE, a compact marvel that has captured the attention of car enthusiasts. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest reviews and insights. The Tata Nano XE is powered by a 624cc, two-cylinder, multi-point fuel-injected petrol engine. This engine delivers a maximum power of 37.5 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 51 Nm at 4,000 revolutions per minute. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the Nano XE achieves a top speed of 105 km per hour. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Nano XE offers an impressive mileage of approximately 23.9 kmpl, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. The fuel tank has a capacity of 24 liters, ensuring fewer stops at the pump. The suspension system comprises independent McPherson struts at the front and a coil spring setup at the rear, providing a balanced and comfortable ride. The braking system features drum brakes on both the front and rear wheels, ensuring adequate stopping power for city driving conditions. Dimensionally, the Nano XE measures 3,164 mm in length, 1,750 mm in width, and 1,652 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,230 mm. The car offers a ground clearance of 180 mm, suitable for navigating urban roads. It comfortably seats 4 passengers and features a 5-door configuration for easy access. On the exterior, the Nano XE is equipped with 12-inch radial tubeless tires, sized 135/70 R12 at the front and 155/65 R12 at the rear. While it lacks alloy wheels, the design is functional and straightforward. Inside, the Nano XE offers basic amenities. It comes with manual steering, manual air conditioning, and standard fabric upholstery. The instrument cluster includes essential readouts such as distance to empty, average fuel economy, and a digital clock. Safety features include radial tubeless tires, booster-assisted brakes, a center high-mount stop lamp, front and rear seat belts, intrusion beams, and additional body reinforcements. The Nano XE is available in several colors, including meteor silver, royal gold, and serene white, allowing buyers to choose a finish that suits their style. In summary, the Tata Nano XE is a practical and economical choice for urban drivers seeking a compact vehicle with essential features. Its efficient engine, compact dimensions, and straightforward design make it a suitable option for city commuting. If you found this overview helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Thank you for watching.